Friends, St. Mary's Island near the coast of Udupi is a National Geographic Monument. The unique rock formation is a result of ancient volcanic activity with geological significance when Madagascar separated from Indian subcontinent. History whispers as Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama set foot here crossing a mark. The island is a paradise for marine biodiversity, presence of shells and coral, breathtaking sunset, and much more in this tiny piece of land measuring only 1.5 square kilometers area. For the record, this is my India.